Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share you that a garlic chicken recipe. This is very easy to make with less ingredients at home. I hope you will like this video and recipe. So let's start. For this you need to take 4 to 5 tablespoons of chili powder, 3 tablespoons of salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of fennel seed powder. Add some water and mix with your hand very well. Now this is time to add the chicken. That's around 1 kg. Combine all this together very well so the mixture is well coated on the chicken. Heat the pan and fry all the chicken pieces. Then move on to the main ingredient, garlic. Here I'm taking a ball of garlic and crush it with my mortar and pestle. On the same pan with the leftover oil, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of red chili powder and the crushed garlic and a handful of curry leaves. Very well, and you can see the color change to itself. Then it's time to add the tomato and red chili flake mix. Mixing this again very well. this, I'm adding all the fried chicken at a time and mix this very well. And it's time to serve the delicious garlic chicken roast. Garnish with some coriander leaves. So that's all for today's video, guys. Hope you liked it. Please try this recipe at your home and let me know your feedback at the comment section. So please do subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon for more updates. Thank you so much for watching.